to space, what a sight! Through the stars, I zoom so high, past the planets way up in the sky, floating free in zero-G. Oh, what fun this trip will be! The moon is near, so round and white, glowing softly in the night. Landing slow, I touch the ground, bouncing lightly all around. Hello, moon, I laugh and cheer. It's so cool to be right here, jumping high, then floating down, a silver world without a sound. I leave my footprints in the dust, exploring space is such a must. One small step, a dream come true, a big adventure just for you. Moon is near, so round and white, glowing softly in the night. Landing slow, I touch